Ukraine's Operation Spiderweb was a bold and highly coordinated drone offensive launched on June 1, 2025. The operation targeted 5 Russian military air bases deep inside Russian territory, including Murmansk, Irkutsk, Ivanovo, Ryazan, and Amur. Using small, low-cost FPV drones, Ukraine managed to damage or destroy up to 41 Russian military aircraft, including strategic bombers and early warning radar planes. The Security Service of Ukraine, or SBU, orchestrated the attack, deploying drones from hidden compartments inside trucks that had been covertly transported across Russian territory. Once near the airfields, the drones were released and flown directly at parked aircraft, bypassing traditional air defenses. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky hailed the operation as a brilliant achievement, revealing that it had been in planning for 18 months. The attack demonstrated the effectiveness of asymmetric warfare, where low-cost drones were used to inflict significant damage on multi-million-dollar aircraft. The operation has sparked discussions on modern warfare tactics, particularly the vulnerabilities of static military bases against low-flying kamikaze drones. Some analysts believe this could reshape air defense strategies worldwide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video.